Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome, y'all. Back here for unpackaging. Unboxing, y'all. We got this package here. We're going to get straight to it. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck, but we're not going to need it this time. So let's get right into it. Small package. We did have some stickers in there. Hdzero Divi Math, y'all. And so this thing is the Happy Model Mobula6 ECO. So this is an Hdzero version of the Mobula6 that has Hdzero's new ecosystem in there. And the only difference that I know of is that it no longer needs the mipi cable for the camera now. I guess the thing that does all of the compositing and everything is built into the board now. And so let's get this guy open. See what he looks like. Got some more stickers in here. Divi Math and all that. They really make sure you have a bunch of those stickers. Okay, so looks like this is all we have in here. Got a screwdriver, extra set of props there, and prop removal tool in there. We got some screws in there. Two different types of screws look like. And this is, wow. So this is a canopy right here, a second canopy. And look at this, guys. It's leaning to the side. I don't know what happened. This thing looks a little beat up. The canopy is kind of bent up, y'all. I don't know if I like that. Is it on correctly? I can't tell if it's on correctly. But anyhow, this thing feels very flimsy. In comparison to the older version. I had the older version. It seemed a little more robust. These this frame here, look, this frame here has a lot of flex to it, y'all. And so I'm guessing that makes it lighter. This canopy looks bent to the side. I don't like that, guys. Canopy looks like they did a number on the canopy. Okay, so bending it over to the side like that seems like it fixes it. So we have the A20 connector there, or is it A30? But anyhow, we have that connection there. It's compatible with VT 2.0. We got the 702 28,000 kV motors. And this camera here, as you can see, it looks like a normal analog camera. No MIPI cable. It does have motor plugs on it. So that's a little different from the original Mobula6 Hdzero. It was soldered directly to the board. No battery. This guy weighs 23.49 grams. With this battery here, which is a 380 GNB. 31.79 grams. I'm curious as to if I'll be able to use my own analog camera on this thing, or is this a special camera? Not sure. I will test that later, but for now we're just going to focus on flying this thing and seeing how it flies, and hopefully this thing doesn't burn out on me because I've been having a problem with Hdzero burning out on me. The cameras seem to burn out. And I guess we're going to get this guy in the air and check it out, y'all. Alright y'all, so we out here at the park. Kinda late in the day, so we got the sun kinda low over there. A lot of shade out here, so not as bright as I would like it to be. But we out here with this little thing, the little Mobula6 ECO. I got my Emax Transporter 2 Hdzero monitor, and we're gonna check this thing out. I got 2 of these packs here, GMB 380s. They're pretty old, so I'm not expecting these batteries to be the best, but hopefully, since I brought 2 of them out here, we should get a pretty decent flight time with it. I got the Jumper T Pro out here too, Express LRS.
Welcome to HTX.
We're gonna try to take off from right here, y'all. Hopefully the accelerometer don't get screwed up too much. And it's recording already, it auto records. I'm in the air with it. Just do a punch out. I almost did a punch out into the darn trees. Man, it looks dark, man. This shade out here. So not bad. I'm feeling it. Let's see if we can do some acro flying. Going acro with it now. This little camera has a little fisheye effect. Yeah, these batteries are trash, y'all. It's saying I'm at 3.2 volts already. I'm gonna bring this guy back in. Just try to bring it in for a landing. Sheesh, it gets so dark, I can't see. I'm going line of sight over here, y'all. I'm cheating. Okay. Sheesh. So we're going to swap out the battery real quick. I think one of these batteries is a little better than the other. So hopefully this one will give us some better power and all. The second battery. Okay. We're here with it. And it's saying we're at 3.5 volts. 3.4 already. So both of these batteries are trash. I got some more batteries coming on the way, but unfortunately they're not going to arrive until too late. It's going to be dark. So hopefully I'll be able to get out again with this thing. Yeah, because this battery, I can't even fly. I can't even do good punch outs and everything with it. We got somebody blasting some music. I hope we don't get demonetized from this. Okay, let's try to come in for a landing. It's windy out here too, y'all. And I'm cheating, I'm looking at it. Oh, we bounced right off. Let's take off again. Get back up here. Wow, the shoes, dude. Sheesh. Okay, there we go. Hopefully we'll get another video out of this guy in its stock form, because I'm thinking about swapping these electronics out to a larger frame. I don't think I'm a big fan of these 65mm size tiny whoops. I think I'm more attracted to the 75mm and up tiny whoops. But that's all I got for y'all today with this Mobula 6 Hdzero ECO. Thanks for watching.